Did you know that you can customize this star key on your wheel? So if you tap the star button right here, it will automatically turn on the air condition. Let me show you again. Let's press the star button. It will make air condition off, or it will make air condition on. But you can also customize this by going to the settings. So let's open settings. Choose here the vehicle settings. Scroll down and you should find the steering wheel star button customization. If you tap here, you can get access to the steer wheel options, and you can, for example, choose here the camera. And now if you press here the star button, it will automatically open the camera. So let me show you again. Let's make this a little bit wider. So let's press the star button. You can open the camera or you can close it. You may also notice that you can choose here not only the camera, but also you can set up this for playing or pause music. Let me show you again here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.